Hi there, I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. This is a quick little review of a product called OneCPD, Rebrandable Software PLR. None of those words mean anything. Here's the important word you're going to need. They use the phrase PitchDoc. That doesn't mean anything to me either. But if I said slide presentation software, you'd be like, "Oh, I get what this is all about. You're making slides and doing affiliate kind of information reviews, and then linking it down, and you can rebrand it, and you can sell the software, and you can make the slide presentations." That tells you what it is. What if I told you that you could buy it as we speak right now, $17, and as opposed to having discount coupon codes and things like that, the price just goes up from here. I think it's $17 for the first 3 hours, then it's $20, then it goes to $27. You get it. You're getting the discount coupon at $17. Let's take a little look inside. I want to show you, they show some affiliate promotions that they've done. So you know what when I say slide presentation. So picture you have a software just like this here. It's got the OneCPD. So imagine that's the first slide. The next slide says, "Hey, Rebrandable PL, blah, blah, blah." The next one goes, "Hey, here's 3 projects we've done." The next one goes, "Here's how it works." The next one goes, "Here's some upgrade offers." That's what I do. And then here's a final screen and click here to buy it. Something like that. That's the way a presentation would go. Not necessarily with the last link being click here to buy it, but you see how the idea of that is. So that's what this does. That's what this creates. Let's go inside. Again, it's the #1 selling product out today called OneCPD Rebrandable Software PLR. Lots of words. Where am I here? That's the demo video at the top. So you click on the link at, here we go, auto create self-selling affiliate giveaways and lead magnets in seconds. And you can rebrand and sell the software as your own product. You can give it away as a bonus or a lead magnet. You have lots of options that all work together. Let's go down and look at the affiliate stuff. Where did I see that? Sorry, I got to scroll through for you. Yeah. Making hundreds of thousands of dollars. That's just way over the top. They do show you all the different kind of things that they can create with it, but I'm going to leave it with, here you go. Rebrand the software, rebrand the sales material, and you see how this works. Bam, bam, start selling. So here we go. They go, "We've personally made thousands of dollars," and they're underselling it. So that at the beginning, they go hundreds of thousands, and it's like, "Oh, you're over exaggerating." And now they're under exaggerating. But look at this. Let's take a look at this. I don't know if you can read this. I'll put this in the middle of the screen. This one's called Free AI Money. So they made a pitch doc, giveaway information about that. And so that it's not a result of using OneCPD, but this is what they've done, which you can now create with OneCPD. So here we go. Free AI money. They made $532.41. Took them 3 hours to put it together. This software will cut that in a fraction. FU money, $154.35. Took them 40 minutes of work. Traffic Zion, $808.98, 4 hours of work. These things rank well on Google, and people click them and they buy the products. And that's really how that all works. Here's one called Rush, $769.10 in 3 hours work. You get the idea. Let's see, did I have, here we go. Automatically creates pitch doc, and I'm going to call it slide presentation content for any product with one click. So it's a browser. So you see those ones where it spent them 4 hours and they did all that kind of stuff. Well, how about this? It's created in seconds by simply visiting the sales page, click a button, and it makes these affiliate pitch docs on the fly. That's amazing. And you're going to be able to list them on Slideshare. I'll use the phrase slideshare.com competitors. So slideshare.com would be one of them. There's other kind of ones. You see them ranked in Google when you search for a well-selling product that's got lots of interest. People want to see the information in Slideshare kind of format. So here, visit the thing, click the extension in your browser, click the one that goes do it, and it reads a page, creates your giveaway content with the help of AI ready for you to use. I don't know, would you rather spend 4 hours or spend $17 and get this put together for you? And it's going to generate, again, no money is being promised, no money is being offered, because if there's 1,000 guys doing this, it's going to work it down. But You can resell the software, the browser extension. You can sell that. You have that yourself. You can use it for yourself. You rebrand it. So it's, if you're Jimmy Hoffa, it's Jimmy Hoffa's browser extension. And you're selling it as Jimmy Hoffa's software. You get it. How did Jimmy Hoffa pop into my head? I don't know. So here you go. You get sales material for this. This is to sell or give away the tool. So you can go, hey, join my list and get this software. You can go, hey, buy this software for $17. You can use it to deliver the stuff yourself. So it's all put together. I'm going to skip past this. I'm going to go back and let's see. Is that a good spot to stop at there? Well, looks exciting. Let's stop there. The link in the video description will take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. The blog post is all about OneCPD, software PLR, rebrandable software PLR that makes these Slideshare presentations. And a bit of information about it, what you can do with it, what's in the pack, upgrade offers. So there's some upgrades you can do. And then you either click the product picture at the top or the link at the bottom, and it'll take you to this page that we're on. And I'll scroll a little bit further just to show you. I don't think it has any great buying box, but it has some more information. And here you go. Access your rebrandable software. And it says right now, $17. Like I said, it'll go up between $17 and $47. So don't wait around. Click the link. Go to my site at marketingsharks.com. And then, yeah, we are still there with it bouncing up and down. Okay, I'm going to stop it here. Click the link. Go check out the OneCPD software PLR. And then click the link on the product box from my blog post. And you can grab this for $17. Pretty amazing to be able to put together these Slideshare presentations that get rank on Google, get traffic, get clicks, get eyeballs, and eventually, as they showed you at the top there, get sales. So $17, go check it out. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. Fresh out today, OneCPD software PLR, rebrandable software PLR that creates these Slideshare decks for you. Presentations. Enjoy. PitchDocs, that's what they called it.